What's up, you guys? Serge here from Mere Coffee Roasters, and we're gonna go through a few simple steps to brewing a very tasty cup of coffee with a V60 brewer. We're gonna start with a 1:16 brew ratio, which basically means about 20 grams of coffee to 320 grams of water, resulting in one tasty cup of coffee. Y'all ready to go? All right, we're gonna get started with heating our water to boil. And go ahead and grab your filter, place it in the brewer, and we're gonna just preheat and rinse the water filter to get all that papery taste out. As that continues to drip out, we're gonna get our coffee portioned. Remember, 20 grams. Go ahead and grind your coffee. Pick a roughly medium to coarse grind size. Now that we have our coffee ground, don't forget to dump out that extra liquid. Don't want that in your cup. Make sure it's 20. Go ahead and settle the bed a little bit. Tear it again, and you're ready to brew coffee. We're gonna start with the first phase of just pouring 50 grams of water and waiting for about 30 seconds. So basically what this does, it allows all the gases to escape, resulting in a much tastier cup of coffee. All right, when it's coming close to 30 seconds, go ahead and prepare for your another pulse. So you're just gonna pour up to the 200 gram on your scale. Just gentle, circular motions. All right, when it reaches 200, go ahead and give it a little swirl. Set it down and wait roughly 10 to 15 seconds for it to draw down. All right, and now go ahead and pour to your total weight, which is 320. Nice and easy circles. All right, once you hit 320, go ahead and give it another swirl. All right, so our target time is roughly 3:15 to drip out. If it happened a little faster, meaning it stopped at 3, then your grind size was a little too coarse and you wanna just tighten it up just a hair bit. Now, if it happened too long, like let's say it went to 330, then your grind size was a little too fine. You wanna coarsen it up a bit. All right, so it's finished brewing. We're gonna take off this brewer, set it to the side, swirl it a little bit, and it's ready to serve and enjoy. It's tasty, so tasty. So now you can basically evaluate your cup. If it tastes a little sour, then what happened was your grind size was probably a little too coarse. You wanna make it a little finer to extract more. If it's tasting a little bitter and it's drying out your mouth in the back, then it's probably too fine and your time was probably too long. So you wanna coarsen up that grind size. But for the most part, those are your simple adjustments to get a very tasty cup of coffee. Well, I hope you enjoyed that video and your cup of coffee. If you want to watch more videos, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Stay tuned. We'll see y'all later.